Alam mo ba, hindi nauuna ang courage? Yes, most people think kailangan mo munang maging matapang bago ka kumilos. But the truth is, courage only comes after this. After you decide to move. Courage only comes after you take action. After you say yes kahit hindi ka ready. After you show up kahit kinakabahan ka. After you try kahit may fear at doubt. Kasi confidence is not built habang naghihintay ka. Confidence is built habang gumagalaw ka. Maraming tao ang stuck sa buhay kasi hinihintay nila yung moment na magiging confident sila. I am part of it. I cannot deny. Yung moment na magiging perfect sila. Yung moment na wala na silang takot. But listen, everybody. My friends, walang ganong moment. Fear will always be there. Doubt will always whisper. Uncertainty will always exist. Pero every time nakikilos na, kahit nanginginig ang poses mo, every time na magsisimula ka, kahit hindi ka sigurado, every time na susubo ka, kahit pwede kang mag-fail, that is where courage is born. Hindi ibig sabihin matapang ka na agad. And that choice, that small step, that imperfect action, yan ang bibuild ng confidence mo. My friends, there were moments in my life na sobrang dami kong doubts. I questioned my worth. I felt behind. I felt lost. But when I started showing up, when I started teaching, when I started creating videos, unti-unti, courage started growing inside me. Hindi biglaan, pero tuloy-tuloy. So, kung naghihintay ka ngayon ng courage, stop waiting. Take one small step today. Mag-message ka, mag-start ka, or mag-share ka. Because courage is not found in overthinking. Courage is found in movement, action, verb. And always remember, my friends, your future confident self is waiting on the other side of your first move. Thank you for watching. Of course, let's have coffee. Bye for now.